Hi friends, happy Friday. Welcome back to Math Today. Today for math, you will need your Sweet Facts activity sheet from your work packet, a pencil, and some crayons. So go ahead and pause the video and grab the materials that you need. All right, friends, welcome back. Before you take a look at our learning target and our activity sheet for today, let's go over some of our skill review practice, as you know. Let's start by naming our numbers out of order. Here we go. Upside down. Ready? 18, 17, 12, 13, 11, 10, 14, 1, 3, 9, 6, 4, 8, 5, 7, 16, 20, 19, 2, 15. Very good. All right, now let's practice some counting. We're going to practice counting on again. So we're not going to start at 1. We're actually going to start at 11 today. So let's clap while we count today from side to side. Ready? Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Stop. Now we're going to rewind. Now we're going to do the wave with our arms. Ready? Here we go. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Give yourself a little wave. Woohoo! All right. Now let's practice some addition fluency. Remember, when we're adding, we're putting groups together. So when we add with 0, our number stays the same, but if it's a number greater than 0, our number gets bigger. So let's read our addition sentences. See if you can beat me to the answer. Here we go. 2 add 3 equals 5. 1 add 0 equals 1. 3 add 0 equals 3. 0 add 0 equals 0. 4 add 0 equals 4. 3 add 1 equals 4. 2 add 1 equals 3. 3 add 0 equals 3. 4 add 1 equals 5. 1 add 1 equals 2. 2 add 2 equals 4. That's right. Good job. Kiss your brains, little mathematicians. All right, so today we're going to do the opposite of adding. We're going to continue practicing subtracting. But here's the tricky thing. There are a lot of subtracting sentences on our activity sheet. So you need to make sure to pay attention to what you're doing so that you understand how to complete each problem, okay? So let's go over what it means to subtract. When we subtract, we start with a whole group, then we take some of the things away, and our number gets smaller, right? So if I have 8, take away 6. I'm not adding 6, I'm taking away from my 8. So let's practice. Show me 8. Now let's take 6 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 take away 6 is 2 left over. I have 2 still sticking up, okay? So I think a lot of friends get tricked when you're using your fingers, your thumbs count. So your thumbs and your pinkies, they get a little tricky, but they still count. So if I have a thumb up and I'm pretending to eat it, it goes down for that number. Let's try one more. Ready? Show me 7, take away 4. So we're going to do 7. Now let's take away 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 7, take away 4 is how many left over? 3 left over. Okay, so we're going to do that for all of our subtraction problems today. But here's the dealio. On your activity sheet, at the top of each column, that's from top to bottom, you have a number. Let's name our numbers that are at the top in the circles. We have 3, 2, 4, 6. Okay, now underneath each of those numbers, there are some subtraction sentences. What you're going to do is solve each sentence first. After, if your sentence on the candy equals the number in the circle, you're going to color it for that column. If it doesn't, you don't color it. Okay? So let's practice a few together. So the first problem is 4, take away 1. So show me 4 on your fingers. Now we're going to take 1 away. So pretend to eat 1. How many do we have left over? 1, 2, 3 left over. So we're going to write a 3 very small below the 4 subtract 1. So right now you're using a pencil to write in case you need to erase. Also make sure your numbers are facing the right way. All right, now let's do the next one. 6, take away 3. So show me 6 with your fingers. Now let's take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. 6, take away 3 is how many left over? 3 left over. So our answer is 3. So on that piece of candy, I'm going to write a 3. Notice I'm going down. I'm not going across for this activity. Let's do the next one. 5, take away 3. So I have 5. I'm going to take 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many do I have left? 2 left over. So I'm going to write my answer here. Okay, let's keep going just the rest of this column. 5, take away 2. Okay, so we're starting with 5. How many are we going to take away? 2. Let's pretend to eat 2. 1, 2. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3 left over. So I'm going to write a 3 on that piece of candy. And then I have 4. How many am I going to eat? 2. I'm going to take 2 away. 1, 2. How many do I have left over? 2 left over. Okay. Now, what number is at the top of this column? 3. So if I answered 3 to any of the subtraction sentences in this column, down here below the 3, I am going to color it. If it does not equal 3, I do not color it. So I am going to show you, I'm not going to take my time because I just want to show you very quickly, but I do want you to take your time to color nice and neatly. But I'm going to color over the first one because the answer is 3. I'm going to color over the second piece of candy because the answer is 3. I'm not going to color the next one though because, oh, that's a 2. But the next one is 3. Do I color the last one? No, because it's 2. It equals 2, okay? But in the next column, what candies will you color? You'll color the pieces of candy that equal 2. If your answer is not 2, you don't color it in this column, okay? So look at each subtraction sentence, make it with your fingers, take that next number away. If your answer is 2, you're going to color it. If it's not, you don't color it, okay? So make sure to do that. When you are finished, post it to your teacher's Google Classroom. And if you have any questions, ask one of your adults that's helping you to explain the directions to you, okay? Or you can always rewind. But make sure to always do your work on your own. And your fingers are a great resource to use as you are learning how to subtract and take away to make your numbers smaller. All right, friends, great job. Keep up the great work. I will see you guys again next week for some more math. Can't wait till then. See you later.